Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the right door hinge on your dishwasher, you will need to uninstall the appliance first. To do this, turn off the power to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws, securing the lower access panel. Remove the panel. Use a 5/8" wrench to help unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, unthread the screw securing the junction box cover. Then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires. Then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. You can lower the rear leveling leg by using a 9/64" hex head screwdriver to rotate the adjustment rod at the front clockwise. Now, very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and use a T20 Torx bit screwdriver to remove the screws, securing the inner door panel to the outer panel. Avoid fully removing the door latch mounting screws. Carefully separate the two door panels. Lift off the control panel. Note the orientation of the wire connectors, then disconnect them to fully remove the panel. Now lift off the outer door panel. Secure the door latch with tape. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the right side access panel. Remove the panel. Pull the door spring down so you can detach the door cable from the spring. Lift the link off of the hinge to fully remove. Now unthread the screws, securing the door hinge to the inner panel. Remove the screws, securing the duct retaining bracket to the hinge. Use a flathead screwdriver to help release the retaining tabs, securing the hinge bushing to the hinge pin, and use a hammer to help detach the hinge. Prepare the new door hinge for installation by transferring the bushing and bumper from the old hinge to the new one. Now position the hinge on the inner door panel and snap the bushing onto the hinge pin. Hook the duct retaining bracket onto the new hinge and thread the screw to secure. Replace the screws to secure the hinge to the inner panel. Hook the door cable link onto the hinge. Align the cable on the pulley and hook the looped end onto the door spring. Replace the side access panel and secure it with the screws. The larger screw goes in the back. Remove the tape securing the door latch. Replace the outer door panel by hooking the tabs onto the hinges. Reinstall the control panel by first reconnecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Secure the wires in the retainers and realign the control panel on the outer door panel. Join the inner and outer door panels together. Tighten the door latch mounting screws. Replace the remainder of the screws to secure the two panels. Make sure the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall, and that the water and power supply lines are positioned in their respective channels in the dishwasher base. Now gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box and secure the strain relief nut. Join the wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. Align the cover and replace the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve. Replace the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.